So they are going to give you 10,000 points, and from that 10,000 points you can generate multiple songs, all right, for absolutely free.
I was born from the land, sun on my skin. Stories of my people deep from within. But when the news breaks, they point fingers fast. Judge a whole tribe by your violent past.
Hello my favorite people, I hope you're doing great. This is the song I generated using AI, and as you can see, in 11 days I've got over 12,000 views on this one. All right, so the first thing I did is I went directly to my AI, to my ChatGPT, to generate my lyrics from there, because if you can write your lyrics, you can just go ahead and write down your lyrics, the lyrics of your song, the complete lyrics of your song, and you can generate your song using the lyrics that you write, if you want to do that. But if you are looking for an easiest way and the perfect way of writing lyrics at this moment, I am an AI guy. I like AI and I use AI for almost everything now. So I decided to use this AI ChatGPT to help me generate the lyrics that I want. So before the AI give me the lyrics, I give the story I gave AI the story, and from that story I asked the AI to generate lyric for me. So I give AI a story of what is happening in my country, people blaming my culture and my people for the action of few. So I tell AI what is exactly is happening, and then I ask AI to generate this song for me. From there, AI generated this very good lyric for me, and I check the lyrics, see the lyrics here, and I check through the lyrics and I have edited the lyrics. I make it more perfect, and from there I copy these lyrics. And when I copy these lyrics like this, I'm going to show you. I copy these lyrics from here. Then it's very easy. It's so very easy, guys. I'm just trying to give you a hint on how to generate a very good lyrics. All right, so as you can see, I copy this thing. When I copy the whole lyrics, then I quit this and I went to my browser. Where is my browser? My browser is here. Then I go to my Chrome and I type the name of this AI, minimax.ai. This is the name of the AI. So as you can see, this is the homepage of the AI. When you look up here to the right, I was given 10,000 free points to generate music. All right, so they are going to give you 10,000 points, and from that 10,000 points you can generate multiple songs, all right, for absolutely free. The AI is new and almost everything is free here, and it is going to generate a very perfect music for you. All right, so what we are going to do right now, I'm going to show you what. Then we are going to paste the lyrics here. This is where to write your name of the song. You can write the name of your song here, up here, and I can write, I'm not bandit. I am not bandit. You can write that as your title of the song. Then the lyrics here. When you touch the lyrics here, then you can paste the lyrics you copy from, or the lyrics you write. All right. As you can see, I just pasted my lyrics. As you can see, this is my lyrics in here. Then what style of music do you want? They will ask you for style of music. Then you need to write it here. Then I wrote Afrobeat. This is what I write. And then in comma I said inspired by Omale. I write inspired by. That's the type of music I want, inspired by Omale, as you can see. So then you use 600 of your coin of what you got there. Every song is 300. All right, every song you have 300 in every song, and you have up to 10,000 of these points up there. All right, so 300 per song. So I'm going to generate 2 songs because I want to choose the best one out of these 2 songs. All right, so as you can see, I'm not going to generate it because I have already generated more music here. I'm going to show you how many music I generated, so I don't want to waste my points here, but it's very easy. When you touch this, it's going to take you just few seconds or probably a minute. You just wait for it a minute. You can close your browser and continue doing what you are doing, and you come back. And when you come back, you look here where they write this model. Look to the right here where you see this thing like a clock. Then you touch it. When you touch it, you are going to see the music I generated. All this music I generate them for free. Look at them here. Talking tears. You see, I'm not a band. This is the song I generated, and this is the song I uploaded on my YouTube, and that song got over 12,000 views right now. All right, and I have all released songs here. As you can see, we are United, the Manchester United song I generated. As you can see, Ramadan, one day soon, and this is the one I generated today. All right, as you can see, it's very easy. When you generate them, you can press download here. When you touch download like this here, for example, it is going to start downloading. As you can see, save down here, then you press save. When you press save, your song is going to be on your phone. As easy as that. All right, it's very, very easy. All right, so if you know you have any questions that you want to ask, feel free and go to the comment section and ask your questions. And please, if you know you are new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, because I'm going to keep bringing more and more and more of this kind of tutorials. All right, so thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Peace.